My name's Dee, and I'm a part of the Beauty Training Academy in Gerrards Cross. We are a beauty training company that train in both ABT and VTCT NVQs. So when you come to the stand, which will be lovely to see you, we'll be selling the courses at a reduced rate, so that'll be great. You'll get a brilliant discount to get you booked on. We do train to a very high standard. We do like to teach everything to everybody that they'll need to know to be able to work, whether they're working part-time or for themselves. I want to try and expand on that. I want to try and help them to build their business, to grow their business, and to help people feel better about themselves with treatments. The show's a great place to be. When you're in the beauty industry, you need to be at one of these shows to see all the latest products, to see all the latest training. So come by and visit us. Come and have a chat with me or my team. We'll see you at the show. Take care.